Wall Street, Pete, Sicto, and crypto. Good morning to everyone. How are you guys doing this morning? It is Thursday, April 11th, 2024. Roughly about 7:30 in the morning. Yesterday's live, about exactly, 23 hours ago, we talked about a 64,500 Bitcoin possible. The charts were showing it, everything was showing it. And now, after that happens, they released a FUD. Uniswap is now in the sights of the SEC, and they're ready to shoot and take a sniper shot at them. At this point in time, I think the SEC is just literally, Gary, whoever's in charge, is just sitting there fucking spinning a wheel and praying that, let's find some dirty work happening on some of these exchanges. FTX was a huge example of what could happen to the crypto space if not paid attention closely to what's happening on these crypto exchanges. So I can't really be mad at the SEC for this, but can't we just put in a regulated once a month, maybe twice a year? It's everyone else has one once a year, right? You got to get your car registered. Well, every 2 years or twice a year, the SEC has to check each exchange platforms and make sure they're running on a regulated platform, they're running correctly. What's so hard about all this? You know why none of this is put into place yet? Because at this point in time, we can still use this shit for fun, and we can still buy the dip, and we can still make money off these horrible highlighted news titles. It's a joke, ladies and gentlemen. So get ready. But I want to talk this morning on my live channel when we go live in about an hour. I want to talk about how the Bitcoin halving chart, it really has shown something. The Bitcoin halving chart shows a big pump before the halving, some type of slight pump, not a big pump, but it shows an increase in the price. Let's say that. Let's not use a big pump. So the halving right before shows a little bit of a pump, a little bit of a price increase, like I said. I went back to the pump. But my long story short is that we're going to have a correction before we get this massive pull-up. Well, all of these plans between Uniswap, me calling out 64K, this all makes sense. This is all perfect for a nice recipe for cheaper prices. Right before the halving, everyone thinks that the Bitcoin price is going to go up. That's in April 20th. So April 20th, the price is going to magically go to 100K, 200K. I think the exact opposite is going to happen. I think we're going to see some shit prices for April 20th. Everyone's getting all excited. Everyone's going to be buying up before the halving. And the only thing that's going to fucking happen before the halving is the price is going to get cut down. That's it. The price correction, I believe that we're going to go down. I may sound crazy, but it's only going to be a short period of time. And then after that, let's be real. We are going to pump like you've never seen Bitcoin pump ever. I'll see you guys soon.